Hi there. Ready to explore? Elena trotted into the rain scene. Her umbrella opened wide, bright against the gray sky. Raindrops danced on the ground. Each step made a soft splash. She splashed in puddles with glee. Water flew up, sparkling in the air. Elena laughed as the rain fell. Each splash felt like magic. Elena pointed at the colorful rainbow. It arched high above her. Red, blue, and yellow shone brightly. The rainbow seemed to smile down. She twirled joyfully under the rain. Water swirled around her feet. The wind whispered sweetly in her ears. Elena felt so free and happy. Elena changed into her pajamas. At bedtime, Elena dreamed of rainbows. Pots of gold sparkled in her mind. She giggled softly as she slept. The rain whispered a lullaby. See you soon.
Thank you very much.